This is a DEWALT mechanic set. I think it's like 142 pieces. Basically has everything you need in a tool set, all contained in one place. You have your standard and metric sockets, the deep ends and the shallow. You have a 1/4 and 3/8 ratchets, and these are a little bit slimmer to get into tight spots. Standard quick release. Slide the thing to change directions. They snap really nice into place. Very nice. So you have pretty much, actually, there we go, fitting there pretty good. Your open end wrenches. You have 2 sets of Allens. SAE and metric. Your universal sockets. Extensions. You also have your Torx, regular and Phillips heads. For your driver, you know, your 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/8, all contained in one space. It really is the perfect set for anyone just starting out, or even if you have a fair amount of tools. This is a set of everything you need, all in one spot. You can keep it in a designated area. So it's and it's DEWALT quality. I have a lot of DEWALT products and I like them. I will continue to acquire more. And it's just a nice set. I wish I had something like this when I was in high school working on cars. It would be it would have been a great gift. So I hope that information is helpful. Thank you.
You know, it has dawned on me that I never did a review over this box. It's a DEWALT toolbox. I'll have to get specifics in a little bit, but I just had a nut break off on my trailer tire that I put together, and thank goodness I had another bolt and nut to put on there. But just having this toolkit has everything I need. It has the metrics. It has you know, metric tools, sockets, and wrenches. It has the standard, and just everything. It has Allen wrenches, just all around a good set. This is one that I have with me in the car, that I keep in the garage or in the house, and it pretty much has everything I need for an immediate fix. So definitely gonna throw it up here, and if you're in a market to get one of these, you should grab this. This is a freaking steal, and I've had it for 1.5 to 2 years now. Nothing's broke, everything is tight, and everything has its place. So it's a go-to for me. You should get you one.
I just got my DEWALT set, mechanic tool set. I'm about to open it up. Well, here we go. Look at that. Everything is intact. Love it already. Take this off. Hey guys, you see that? DEWALT never lets you down. They have good tools. I use them. I love these tools. Yes, sir. You see how that is? Very strong tools. DEWALT never lets you down. We'll buy again.